Hello everyone, and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of Discord. Because Discord on the web and Discord on the desktop have the same interface, you can log out of your account using the same process. To begin, open Discord on your PC. Click User Settings in the bottom left corner of Discord, near your username. Click Log Out from the left-hand sidebar of the new page. Click Log Out in the Log Out prompt.
You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Riley. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.